To effectively manage, monitor, and control the content on your respective portals, it is necessary to define its accessibility as per business requirements. VIDIZMO provides extensive options for protecting your portal and content from unwanted access. In this video, we will be looking at managing portal security in VIDIZMO. To manage portal security, click on the control panel under Admin, from the hamburger icon. The security policy consists of certain preset configurations that are commonly used. Public allows both registered and anonymous viewers to access the portal and view the media. Internal limits access to those who are registered users on the main portal or account. Restricted limits access to users that are authorized to access the specific portal. And hidden goes further, preventing unauthorized users from being able to view or send requests to join the specific portal. Custom lets you set security options according to your preferences. As a security measure, Login Timeout lets you set a time for inactivity after which a login automatically expires. User registration fields define certain information users need to give when registering, like their first name. You can also create custom fields that users need to fill when registering, such as emails. Using trusted domains, you can permit or prevent the embedding of your media on domains based on your privacy and security concerns. Similarly, location restriction lets you control and limit media playback in certain regions for privacy or security reasons. Defined locations such as countries and cities can be found under public locations, while any custom-defined locations can be found under private locations. Finally, the audit log lists every activity that occurs in the portal, such as when a user logs on, or when a media is uploaded. You can also filter the results under options such as by user or the activity. You can also download the logs for offline viewing. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.